we're going to be studying about the bubble sort algorithm. It's basically a simple sorting algorithm that works by swapping adjacent elements if they are in the wrong order. This is how the algorithm looks like. The first step is, which is the first line, it finds out how many items are in the array, the total length of items. So for example, if you have a dataset of 5, 2, and 9, then n, which is the length of the dataset, is going to be 3. The next thing is the outer loop. The outer loop counts how many times we are going to go through the list. Each pass is going to put one element in its correct position, so we will need up to n, that is the number of elements within the dataset passes. We move on to the inner loop, and the inner loop compares each pair of adjacent items. And why will we do -1? It's because each time it's going to stop earlier and the largest item moves to the end. So you actually don't really need to keep on checking that because it's already sorted. Then we're going to come to the point where we are going to do the comparison between the current element and the next element. And then we're going to swap the current element with the next element if they meet the condition. Thank you. We're using the simulator. So for example, we have our data, and our first data set is 5, 2, and 9. So we're going to create, first of all, the first outer loop. This is going to go through all the items in the list. Then the inner loop, it's going to go through the adjacent pair items in the list, and we're going to check the comparison. This is the comparison. And then this is where the swap takes place. So first of all, we'll create a temporary variable where we're going to store that current element, and then we're going to swap the current element with the next element, and then you're going to swap the next element with what has been stored in the temporary variable. Let's visualize this execution. So as you can very well see, and that's it. Thank you.